In this video, I'll show you how to change your IP address on Windows 11. Changing your IP address can help fix network issues, improve privacy, or configure a manual network setup for your home or office connection. So let's get started. First, open the Start menu and click on Settings. From the left-hand side, select Network and Internet. Now choose your current connection type. If you're using Wi-Fi, click on Wi-Fi. If you're using a wired connection, click on Ethernet. Next, click on your active network connection. Scroll down until you find IP assignment, then click on the Edit button. By default, it's usually set to Automatic DHCP. To manually change your IP address, click the drop-down menu and select Manual. Now turn on IPv4. You can now enter your new IP address details including IP address, subnet mask, gateway, preferred DNS server, alternate DNS server. For example, IP address 192.168.1.50, subnet mask 255.255.255.0, gateway 192.168.1.1. You can also use Google DNS servers, preferred DNS 8.8.8.8, alternate DNS 8.8.4.4. After entering the information, click Save. Windows will now apply the new IP address settings. If you ever want to switch back to automatic IP assignment, simply return to the same section and set it back to automatic DHCP. And that's how you can change your IP address on Windows 11. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Windows tutorials and